Hi, I'm going to show you how to use this simple short link extension. So here you're going to type in your shortcut keyword, you have a pattern, and you can do a redirect to URL. So you're going to do a test. If I don't want to do a pattern, then I can do HTTP, or I can do, let's see, www.google.com. I save the shortcut and it'll create a link for me. I can edit it up here. I can do Gmail. Update redirect, and now let's update to Gmail, or I can disable it, enable it, or remove it. Or if I want to do a pattern like mail, I can do like this, mail, and then it'll go to gmail.com. So anytime it sees mail in the pattern, it'll go to Gmail. So you type in www.mail.com, or you type in www.gmail.com, it goes to gmail.com. That's how it works. And then you can also support me by buying me a coffee. Thank you.